Hello friends, it's Merlene here with Savory Thoughts at savorythoughts.com. Welcome back to our channel. If you are here looking for ways to have a functional kitchen, including preparing delicious meals for yourself and your family, I encourage you to please subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on when we post new videos. Now, in this video, we'll be making this delicious honey garlic salmon recipe. Let's get to it. To begin, we are adding olive oil. Next, you're going to sear the salmon face down. Be sure to season your salmon with salt and pepper before starting to sear it. Add all the salmon in, cook until lightly brown. This should take about a couple minutes per side. Turn the salmon over and repeat the process. Once you are done, go ahead and remove the salmon, place it on a plate. Next, we're going to add in the garlic. Stir. Once your garlic has browned, add in the honey, followed by the soy sauce. Bring to a quick boil. Also add in the parsley flakes and lemon juice. Bring to a quick boil and stir. Once your sauce starts to bubble up, go ahead and add in the salmon. Use your spoon to add the sauce on top of the salmon. This will help with flavoring. Add the other half of the lemon. Continue to simmer for about 4 to 6 minutes. And that's it. Your salmon is ready for you to serve with white rice or quinoa. Either way, it's very delicious and it's on the website at savorythoughts.com. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell as we post new videos weekly. Cheers.